Dear children, in this module we are going to discuss the string slicing. As we all know about, what do you mean by a slice? It is a part of anything. Slice means part of anything. Mango slices, pineapple slices. So a part is known as part of. That means slice. So slicing is a process of extracting part of a string. In previous chapter, we already discussed that the string characters have their unique index position, that is 0 to L minus 1, that is length minus 1 in the forward direction, and in the backward direction, that is minus 1 to minus length. So here I had given one example, the same example that we discussed in the previous chapter, that is welcome. In the forward indexing, we are having 0 to 6. What is the total size of the string? That is 7. That is why the last index is 6. And in the backward direction, we are having minus 1 to minus 7. This thing you should have to keep in your mind for getting the slices. Look at this. String 1, wonderful. We will get, if you are giving the slice like 0 is to 6. So, it will give wonder only. That is 0 to 5th index. That is the upper bound. Here also it is like range. The upper bound is given as 6. So it will goes up to the upper bound minus 1. So W will be 0, O, N, D, E, R. Like that it gives wonder. So 0 to 6 means what? 0 to 5 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 0 to 6 means what? 0 to 5. Here 0 to 3 means what? 0 to 1. 0, 1, 2. It will goes up to the second index. 0 index to second index. 3 to 6. That means what? 3 to 5. 3, 4 and 5. Then minus 1 to minus 3. It doesn't report anything. Minus 3 to minus 1. It returned FU. That is in the backward direction. Minus 3 to minus 1. Then minus 3 to 0. Again it doesn't report anything. Then 0 colon 0 colon 2. That is 0 colon 2. That means 0 to last character using the step value as 2. Here also we can have lower bound, upper bound and step value. Each values are separated with what? Using a colon. So it will take 0. The upper bound is not given, so the interpreter reaches till the end and the step value is 2. So that it will take W, then N, then R, E, then F, then L. Like that it goes on. Then 3 to 3. It doesn't report anything because upper bound is same as the lower bound. 3 to 4 means it will return D. Then minus 5 to 2. Like that it goes on. Then colon minus 2. That is, it will take from the upper bound. That is, upper bound is minus 2. Whereas the lower bound is 0. Then look at the last one. STR1 of colon minus 1. That is, the upper bound is 0. Sorry, lower bound is 0. Upper bound is length minus 1. And the step value is minus 1. So we will get the string in the reverse order. My dear children, this is interesting string slicing. Using string 1 colon n plus string 1 n colon will give you the original string. That is, if you are giving wonderful, then if you are trying to get str1 colon n plus strn colon 0 will be a wonderful. That is, it will output as wonderful. String slicing will never return error. Even if you pass index which is not in the string, it will give error, but It will not give any error but return empty string. That is string slices with no value, that is error value, that will not give any error because the interpreter won't get any character in between 10 and 15. So it doesn't return anything, but you won't get any error also. But in the first example, str of 10, it will produce an error because in the index 10, it never find any character. So you will get an error. If you are having any doubt, we can clarify it with more examples in the online session. Then this is one of the program to print a pattern like asterisk, which is given in a triangle model. It will print like, we need to give hash or at the rate pattern for I in range, pattern plus is equal to string, print pattern. That's all. Program to print name and print as, if name is Amar, the output will be AAAMIR. Like that it has to print. For that you can give I in range 0, length, that is the length of the name plus 1. Print a name of 0 is to I. That is, for each I value, the number of iteration become different. So for the first time, it will print A. For the second time, it will print AA. And the third time, it will print AAA. Like that, it continues the iteration till it reaches to the last character, so that we will get the name in a triangle model. That is also a pattern printing using string functions. I think you're all clear about what is slicing and these programs. Thank you.